In this video, I'm going to walk you through all the steps that you need to take in order to create your first Node.js web server. So let's get started right now. First step that we need to take is download Node.js from nodejs.org. There are two options, as you can see. There's the long-term support version and there's the current version. Current version do have all the latest features, but it could have potential bugs as well. So I would recommend you to go with long-term support version. Click on the LTS button to download the package and wait for it to finish downloading. So it's downloading. And it's downloaded. So I'll just clear this and close my browser here and open up my downloads folder. So next we will double click on the package and start installation, and I have my installation right here, and let's click continue, agree, and on your Macintosh hard drive continue. And if you wish to change your install location, you may click on this button and follow the instructions. I'll just keep default and I'll enter my MacBook's password and I'll hit install software. And looks like it's installed, and it says it installed Node 16.15.0 and NPM 8.5.5. So next, there is a way for us to verify the installation. Let's go ahead and close this, move to trash, close this as well, and let's open terminal here, and I'll just make it full screen, increase the size, and what you can type here is node-v, and it will show us the version. It's 16.15.0. If you that's what it showed us after installation, and we will do the same thing for npm, and so it's